Choose the right size belly bandit for proper support and comfort. Wrap the belly bandit snugly around your waist. Position it above the C-section scar if you have one. Make sure it's not too tight to ensure circulation isn't restricted. Wear the band throughout the day for maximum benefit. Remove it before sleeping to avoid discomfort. Gradually reduce, wear as your muscles strengthen. Choose between different types like Original, BFF, or Luxe. Consider ease of movement and personal preferences. Check material for comfort, especially with sensitive skin. Use regularly for weeks post-birth for best results. Wash your belly bandit according to instruction for hygiene. Speak to a healthcare provider for personalized recommendations. Use alongside gentle postpartum exercises for enhanced recovery. Celebrate your recovery journey and results achieved.
3 things you should know about the belly bandit. Number 1. Make sure to wrap it around your midsection so that it provides low to moderate pressure, but doesn't restrict your movement or breathing. Number 2. Wear your belly band immediately after giving birth. With your OB/GYN's approval, of course, for 2 to 3 hours at a time, with 1-hour breaks in between. And number 3. A belly band can help provide pressure to your midsection, helping your body heal and alleviate any discomfort or pain in your back or pelvis. For more tips on how to use the belly bandit, check out our website.
Today we're going to talk about 3 ways that you can support your belly after giving birth. The first method is going to be using a belly band. Now, a belly band is essentially a big wrap that you put around your midsection. And we're going to talk about how to wear that today. So let's get started. First, we're going to take the belly band and wrap it around our abdominal area. So just above your belly button, right here, making sure that it's snug but not constricting. You want to make sure that you can still breathe and move freely while wearing this. Most belly bands will have either a hook and loop fastener closure or some other simple fastener. So you will just want to adjust those until the band sits securely around your belly and provides light to moderate pressure without restricting your mobility or your ability to breathe. There are a number of different belly bands on the market, so be sure to check your model's packaging for specific application instructions. Wearing the wrap too tight may actually slow healing or lead to other postpartum complications like back pain. On the other hand, wearing a loose band won't provide effective support. Note that full-size bands that cover and apply pressure to your entire belly are only for use after giving birth. If you're still pregnant, opt for a similar maternity support belt and fasten it securely on your hips, on the undercurve of your belly. And remember, while these belly bands are great for providing support and helping to reduce swelling, they shouldn't be worn all day, every day. Be sure to take breaks so that your skin can breathe and to alternate which side you wear the band on if you notice that you have a preference and that one side gets tighter than the other. So the next method is going to be using an ice pack. Applying ice to your abdomen can help reduce swelling and inflammation. You can do this by either putting ice cubes or a cold compress directly on your skin or by using a cold wash rag or towel. Just remember to always protect your skin from direct contact with ice or cold surfaces to prevent tissue damage or ice burns. Taking a break from icing every couple of hours and allowing your skin to return to room temperature before reapplying is also recommended. The third method is going to be using a heating pad. Applying heat to your abdomen can help relax your muscles and increase circulation. You can do this by using a heating pad or hot water bottle filled with warm water and apply it to your midsection for 20 minutes at a time. Just remember to take a break from using the heating pad every couple of hours and to never apply heat directly to bare skin, as this can cause burns. You can put a towel or a washcloth between the heating pad or water bottle and your body to prevent this. If you've had a C-section, please note that you'll want to avoid putting heat on your incision, as this can cause the incision to open. Instead, you can apply heat to your abdomen above or below the incision. I hope this video has been helpful. Please let me know if you have any questions. Remember to take care of yourself because you deserve it.
2. Wear the belly band for 2 to 3 hours at a time with 1-hour breaks.
Some belly bands are thin and discreet enough to be worn under your usual clothing. Others are a bit bulkier. These usually provide more pressure and support, and may feel more natural worn over your shirt. Wearing a band over your clothes might not give you the same level of direct support as having the band pressed up against your skin, but may provide a more comfortable layer of padding between you and the band. Try both ways for 10-20 minutes, and use whichever feels most comfortable for you. If you are recuperating from a C-section, applying the band to your skin but over a bandage may help support and protect your incision. Consult the care label on your band for washing instructions. When in doubt, soak the band in mild detergent in cool water for about an hour. Rinse it thoroughly, then let it air dry for 4-5 hours.
3. Put the belly band under or over your clothing, to your preference.
So when can you wear a postpartum belly band? As soon as you feel the need, my friend. But always clear it with your doctor or OB/GYN first. Now, I'm not a medical professional, so I cannot tell you exactly when you should wear it, but I can tell you that if you want to wear it for the first 2 to 3 hours after giving birth, that is perfectly fine. Just make sure you take 1 to 2 hour breaks in between to avoid reduced circulation or developing a dependence on the band. You can wear it as you go about your day, a couple hours at night to make sleeping more comfortable, or both. If you had a C-section, talk to your OB/GYN about how soon you can start wearing a band. They may recommend waiting 2 to 3 days postpartum to allow the C-section incision to heal. No matter how you choose to wear it, just make sure to remove the band before showering or swimming to keep it clean, dry and free of mold or mildew. If you're interested in learning more about what to expect in the first 3 days after giving birth, I will link a helpful video here in the description box below. Also, if you are enjoying my content, please subscribe and share with your friends. I'd love to have you back for more next week, and I can't wait to see you in the next video.
4. Stop wearing the band when you start to feel comfortable without it